Hey guys, and welcome to our video. In today's tutorial I'm going to show you how to make this header sticky. We're going to use Elementor page builder. We're going to the back end of our website, and from here to templates and theme builder. Over here, because we are targeting the header, we're going to look for the header section, even though that you can do it with any section that you want, but of course we're going to do it with the header. So I'm going to click on edit with Elementor. Excellent. So now we can see that we have the header here, and we need to target the parent section, the one that contains both columns. So I'm going to click on the advanced tab of the parent section. And here under the motion effects, we have the option to change the sticky from none to top. And here you have the option to choose on which devices it's going to be sticky on. Right now it's on all of them. If you're happy with that, click on update and revisit the page again to make sure the header is actually sticky. Let's scroll down and we can see that it is sticky, but we have some issues. Alright, so couple issues can occur, and the first one of them is that you scroll down, the header is sticky, but it has a transparent background. Now you see that it's white, but it's not actually white, it is transparent and it's just inheriting the background color of the body, the default color of the body, which is white. That's why you see the header white. So to fix that, we need to give the header itself a background color. We do it under the Style tab, and here under the background, we're gonna choose either Classic or Guardian, depends on your needs. And here I'm going to choose the background color. In our case, it's going to be white. I'm going to update the header again, refresh the page, and when I scroll down I can see that it's actually take the white background with it, because the white background now belongs to the header itself and not to the body tag. The second problem that can happen is when your header is hidden by a different section of the page, and that's because the other section has a better or higher priority than the header itself. The z-index of the section is higher, therefore we need to fix it and give the header a better z-index. We can do it under the advanced tab, and here we have the option to set a z-index for the header. We're going to aim for a high number such as 999. We're going to update the page and refresh it one more time here, and now we can see that when scrolling down it's actually have a higher priority than the other section, and it's not hidden by the other section. Now let's talk about motion effects, and for example we're gonna take Kinsta. We can see that they have a transparent header. However, whenever you scroll down, the transparent header get a background color and it becomes smaller. So we already have a background color, but we do want to make the header smaller when we're scrolling down the page, let's say after 100 pixels. In order to do that, we need to inspect which of the elements make the height of the header. For example, we can see that the image over here, the logo image, it's 120 width by 80 height. So we know that because the image keeping its ratio, if we're gonna make the image smaller, the height of the image will decrease as well. So over here in the blog post, in the written blog post, you can find the link down below. I have the code to make the logo smaller. I have it over here. All we need to do is just to copy it and paste it in the custom CSS. I'm gonna show you right now. So go back to your header. Make sure you target the parent section as always. And here under motion effects, we can decide after how many pixels the new design will execute. So the effects offset determine how many pixels before it will execute. So we're going to choose 100 pixels, and here under custom CSS we're going to paste our code, and we can see that it's going to change the image from 120 pixels to 90 pixels. So we're going to refresh the page. We are going to scroll down. Nothing going to happen in the first 100 pixels, but when you reach 100 pixels we can see that it's getting smaller. However, the header didn't change because it also takes the height of the menu links. and we can see that the links getting their heights from padding top and padding bottom of 35 pixels each. 35 top and 35 bottom. So we made a code for that one too. We can copy it from the blog post. You have the link in the description down below. We are going to paste it under the previous code over here, and we're changing it from 35 pixel to 20 pixel. So we're taking 15 from the top and 15 from the bottom, and now we can see that after 100 pixels, both of the elements going to adjust, and as a result, the header height is going to change as well. Now, based on how you built your header, the code I gave you may not fit it or may not do what you want exactly the same. If that's the case, please let me know your website down below and I will help you and I will give you the right code for your website based on what you need.